quarter, laban ng Red Bull at Pure Foods. And Rayback gets a TM3 plus a foul.
So that's a 4-point play in the offing. Although kanina, nung papunta na sa timeout, si Coach Shenga was yelling something to the referees dahil dun sa contact nila Topex Robinson at James Shop. At yung mga sinisigaw niya, definitely not Happy Padres Day. So yung intensity niya, nakakuha kaagad ng mga players.
So Rayback converted a 3-pointer and then there was a foul against Villanueva against Topex Robinson.
Correct. So Topex will
shoot the bonus.
Shoot the bonus for a
4-point play na
magkaibang tao. That happens lang pag simultaneous.
Right. 2-point lead para sa Pure Foods. Roger Yap hands off. Peter Jun Simon for 2.
Jun Simon at 13 points na nga itinatala dito. In fact, si Jun Simon, even kapag nawawala si James Shop sa kanyang offensive leader, laging nandun itong si Peter Jun Simon.
Here's Baguio. Fires. Can't get the bounce. But Topex Robinson gets the rebound. And dishes off an excellent assist to Kiko Adriano.
Rebound, assist, Topex Robinson really doing one hell of a job dito para sa kupunan ng Red Bull. Kaya kumakatok sila uli, 2-point lead now for the Giants.
Topex really hounding Peter Jun Simon here. Here's Yap against Adriano. James Yap on the move. James Yap, no goal. And it's last touch on Parada as Adriano crashes to the court. Para ng mga katawan doon.
At si James Yap was looking for a foul, but really a good defense on the part of the Red Bull import.
Near interception para kay Topex Robinson.
And si Coach Yeng was pointing to the shot clock. Hindi na bago yung 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
So this has to be a quick play. Ralimi still has the ball. He fires. Air ball. Ano man mangyari doon? Mapupunta
bola talaga sa Red Bull. Naubusan ng oras dito, mamasa rin yung tira ni Reza.
Last touch ko si James Yap.
30 seconds time on the Red Bull.
Red Bull they want to talk things over here with 4:32 remaining in the third quarter.
Because gusto na nilang itabla itong laban na ito.
Another team really able to pull away. Nag-11-point lead ng Pure Foods but it was short-lived.
Ayan yung mga signal Alam ng mga coaches siya kapag magtatala ng pag-umarangkada ng kabila, may pansagot talaga sila dyan.
And for more on Father's Day, here's Margo Vargas.
Thanks, Miko. Dahil Father's Day nga ngayon, pinapunta ni Rich Alvarez ang daddy Rudy niya na isang dating college basketball player at ang daddy naman ni Paulo Bugia na si Daddy Ramoncito ay dating player ng Mika ay yung liga bago pa man magkaroon ng PBA. At syempre, nandito rin ang daddy ni Rico Villanueva na si Daddy Arnold. Sila nga yung inspirasyon kung bakit basketball ang piniling career ng kanilang mga anak. Back to you guys.
Ay, naku, yung tatlo na yan, ang tagal na magkasama yan dahil yung mga anak nila, nung college pa lang, magkakasama na. Been through the triumphs and painful experiences of their sons. Meantime, here's Adriano. Adriano to sneak in a layup inside, which is hard to do,
Especially with Ralimi there. Kita mo naman nung makuha ni Ralimi yung rebound. Nag-alisa na yan.
Villanueva. Last touch on Villanueva. Pure Foods hanging on to a shaky 2-point lead with under 4 minutes to go in the third quarter.
Pero gaya nung binabanggit natin, nung simula ng third quarter, ang ganda kaagad ng ratsyada ng Pure Foods. Posting at 8-point lead, pero biglang nilang nalimutan yan at mukhang nagising naman itong mga taga Red Bull.
Here's Adriano for 3. Overshoots.
Not the best shot for that play. Obviously not their design. In fact, si Adam Parada was ready to receive a pass inside as their original play, pero naitira na yun at pumutok sa mukha nila yan.
Here's Ralimi. Ralimi, drop step. Good move against Parada.
And he has been very confident with that shot already. Itong si Reda Ralimi. Nung una, akala mo malamya yung kanyang skyhook na yun, pero he's been very consistent now.
And he blocks that shot of Parada as Topex Robinson gives up a foul in the backcourt.
Si Coach Yeng, dumidi pa. Saying nasa inyo pa, pero yung player na tumataas na yung kamay.
I think he was complaining about yung tira ni Parada kanina. He was probably begging for a foul there.
Nung pinayungan. All ball. This was a good non-call.
Meantime, here's Ralimi. Spins, misses. Apat ang laman ng Purefool. Bola ng Red Bull. Here's Parada! And he gets blocked again!
Nobody's afraid of Adam Parada anymore.
But Baguio with a TM3 to keep Red Bull within striking distance. All a one-point ball game here.
All his points dito sa third quarter coming from three-pointers. Itong si Cyrus Baguio, a total of 18 for Kairos. At pag may Kairos ka sa Red Bull, may pambawi naman ng pupils dyan. That's si James Yap. May 15 puntos. Siya pa rin ang nangunguna sa mga local, si Coach Ryan.
Timeout muna tayo with 2:26 remaining in the third quarter. Reda Ralimi so far outplaying Adam Parada as of the moment in this gigantic battle.